Okay, next problem tayo. Philippine Bank granted a loan to a borrower on January 1, 2019. The interest on the loan is 8% payable annually starting December 31, 2019. So yung interest is payable annually. The loan matures in 3 years on December 31, 2021. Data related to loan are, okay, principal amount is 3 million. Origination fees, 100. Direct origination cost is 260,300. After considering the origination fees charged against the borrower and the direct origination cost incurred, the effective rate on the loan is 6%. So given ulit yung effective interest rate, no need na tayong mag-trial and error. Prepare all indicated entries for 2019, 2020, and 2021. So ngayon ang gagawin natin is meron pa tayong isang sample problem na different yung situation dun sa problem na na-discuss earlier. And sasagutan din natin siya, same requirement, journal entries for 2019, 2020, and 2021. Okay, so same procedure tayo. So sa 2019, gagawa tayo ng journal entries and ang una natin gagawin is i-determine natin yung carrying or yung initial carrying amount ng loan receivable. Considered si principal, which is 3 million. Origination fees charged against the borrower is 100,000. So kabawasan. Then, meron tayong direct origination cost incurred. Direct origination cost incurred, which is 260,300. Therefore, the initial carrying amount of loan receivable nung January 1, 2019 is 3 million minus 100,000 plus 260,300 equals 3,160,300 pesos. Okay, analyze natin. Si entity or si Philippine Bank nagpautang kay borrower 3 million. Pero ang total carrying amount ng loan is 3,160,300. So mas malaki yung naging carrying amount based doon sa principal. So ibig sabihin, yung interest income niya dito is mas maliit. And isa pa, ang origination fees received is mas maliit compare sa direct origination cost. Okay, so bago tayo mag-proceed, meron tayong note dito. Okay. Kanina yung unang problem, mas maliit yung initial carrying amount kaysa sa principal. Ibig sabihin, origination fees charge is greater than the direct origination cost. Kapag mas malaki ang origination fees charge versus sa direct origination cost, ang origination fees and direct origination cost ay recorded sa unearned interest income. Kapag naman na mas malaki or kapag mas malaki naman ang direct origination cost compared sa origination fees charge sa loan receivable, ang origination fees and direct origination cost ay papasok sa account na direct origination cost. So sa case na to, mas malaki yung direct origination cost kaysa sa origination fees. So, pag nag-journal entry tayo for the year 2019, January 1, 2019, entry natin yung principal, debit, loan receivable, credit cash, 3 million. Origination fees. So, ulit, kapag mas maliit ang origination fees versus sa direct origination cost, origination fees is less than the direct origination cost. Agaya sa case na to, which is 100, mas maliit kaysa sa 260. Ibig sabihin, ang account na gagamitin natin ay direct origination cost. So, for 100,000, debit cash, 100,000 kasi origination fees received. Credit, direct origination cost, which is 100,000. For 260,300, debit direct origination cost, credit cash 260,300. Okay. Tapos na tayo mag-entry for the January 1, 2019. Ngayon gagawin naman natin yung December 31, 2019. And para ma-proceed yung December 31, 2019 entry, gagawa tayo ulit ng amortization schedule. Okay, so we have the date. Interest received. Interest income, amortization, and carrying amount. January 1, 2019. Initial carrying amount is 3,160,300 carrying amount ng January 1, 2019. December 31, 2019. Interest received. Okay. Ang interest received is 3 million, which is the principal, times the nominal rate, which is 8%. 3 million times 8% equals 240,000. Interest income naman is the carrying amount times the effective rate, which is 6%. So, 6% ang effective rate. 6% times carrying amount ay 189,618. Okay. Ito yung true interest income mo or interest income ni Philippine Bank. So, naka-receive siya ng 240,000 but the interest income is 189,618 lang. So, yung difference na 50,000 is yun yung amortization ng direct origination cost. Ngayon, ano ang treatment niya sa carrying amount? Kapag mas malaki ang carrying amount compared sa principal, or kapag mas malaki yung direct origination cost compared sa origination fees received, ang amortization natin ay direct origination cost. Ang carrying amount, so kanina sa problem na sinolve natin kanina, papunta tayo sa carrying amount. Eto, ganun din. Papunta rin tayo sa carrying amount na 3 million. So, 3.162 at may amortization dito na 50,382. So, ito naman ay bawas. Kasi papunta tayo sa 3 million. 3.1 something to. So, pabawas tayo papuntang 3 million. 3.160 minus 50,382 ay 3,189,918. December 31, 2020. Interest received is still 240,000. Interest income is carrying amount, which is ito, times the effective rate, which is 6%. So, 6% times carrying amount ay 186,595.08. Difference is 53,404.92. So, tayo ay papunta sa carrying amount. So, babawas ulit tayo. 3.1 minus itong 53,000 is 3,056,513.08. So, decimal places. December 31, 2021. Yung last term ng loan. So, ito yung due date ng loan ni borrower kay Philippine Bank. So, interest received is still the same, 240,000 fixed. Interest income, so since na ito ay nasa last year na ng loan, hindi na natin nagagawin yung pag-multiply. Instead, i-adjust na lang natin yung figure para mag-arrive tayo sa carrying amount na 3 million pesos. So, amortization is may figure dito na dapat ilalagay para maging 3 million. So, Yung figure na yon would be 56,513.08 kasi 3.56 minus ito is 3 million. So, ito na lang yung nawawala, interest income. So, i-adjust na lang natin yan. 240,000 minus 56,513.08 equals 183,486.92. So, nagawa na natin yung amortization schedule for this loan. So, ang ginagawa natin kaninang amortization sa previous problem is yung carrying amount is padagdag hanggang sa kanyang principal amount pagdating ng term. So, ito naman, ganun pa din. Kaya lang, ito naman ay pabawas. So, gagawin na natin yung journal entries for the year 2019, December 31, 2020, and 2021. Okay, for the year 2019, so kanina meron tayong January 1 entry. Ito, gagawin naman natin yung December 31, 2019. Okay, interest received, debit cash, credit, interest, income. 240,000. Okay, ang totoong interest income is 186. So, ibig sabihin, mag-a-adjust pa itong 240,000 na ni-record na dapat 189 lang yung interest income. So, may amortization dito na 50, yung difference. Ito yung i-record natin na isa. So, debit, interest income, kasi mababawasan ng 50,382. Credit, direct origination cost, which is 50,382. Same amount. Okay, so year 2020. December 31, 2019. Interest received, debit cash, credit, interest, income. Na? 240,000. Tapos yung amortization. So, ang income lang is 186. Pero yung ni-record is 240. So, dapat may adjustment na 53,000 something. So, debit, interest, income, kasi mababawasan ng interest income ng 53,404.92 para mag-reflect yung true interest income na which is 186. Credit, direct origination cost. So, ina-amortize natin ang direct origination cost kasi mas malaki siya kaysa sa origination fees. 53,404.92. And sa year 2021, December 31, 2021, debit cash, credit, interest income for the interest received, 240,000. Debit, interest income for the amortization, which is 56,513.08. Credit, direct origination cost, 56,513.08. And yung collection ni entity ng loan receivable. Debit cash, 3 million. Credit loan receivable, 3 million pesos.